In this video, we're gonna see if it's possible to change the Roblox name tag color. Is it possible? Is it not? Let's find out. As you can see, I've logged into a random game or experience, and I sent a message in chat. I'll send another one, and you should be able to notice that my username is this red color. Is there any way for me to change this name tag color? If I open up the settings and click on my name, there isn't much you can do. I can see my avatar, I can go into the settings, and as you can notice, none of these settings are related to my chat name or chat name color. Even if I click on my name, nothing happens and I can send as many messages as I want, and I'll always have this red name tag color. Even outside of the experience, if I go into the settings on the Roblox player itself, there is nothing related to changing the name tag color. As you can see by this official Roblox support article, how do I change the color of my name in an experience? Currently, any experience name colors are assigned at random. At this time, there is no way to manually assign this color, which means that it's impossible to change the name tag color as of today. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that it's not possible to change your name tag color. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.